Learn English for daily conversation.
Do you want to learn English for daily conversation faster?
I speak English.
Do you want to improve your listening, pronunciation, and speaking skills?
How did you learn English?
Where did you learn English?
Then welcome to our new English learning video. In this lesson, you'll practice with a 4-part English conversation exercise to boost your fluency step by step. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Are you ready to train your brain and learn English for daily conversation? Let's get started. Part 1, listening practice. In this part, you will improve your English listening skills by listening to real English conversations.
Running into a friend. Hi, Jen.
Nicole!
What's up? Haven't seen you in ages.
Fancy running into you here. Got time for coffee?
Sure. Do you work around here?
At the dress shop across the street. Hoping to get promoted soon.
Oh, I love that shop. I've got my fingers crossed for you.
Thanks. I love the work. Helping people is great.
I think you'll be a great buyer. Remember when you wanted to design clothes?
Yeah, this is a step in that direction. What about you? You were about to move, right?
I just got back working as a waitress, but hoping to teach soon.
That's great! Which reminds me, there might be openings for teachers in Howard County.
Really? I'll apply as soon as I get home. Fingers crossed.
Awesome. And I'll help you find a new dress for the interview.
Love this one. It's perfect for the interview.
And for your first day of school?
Thanks so much. So glad I ran into you today.
Me too. Let's catch up more often.
I'll keep in touch.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.
Part 2, vocabulary. In this part, you will learn useful English words and phrases that are commonly used in daily conversations.
For ages. For ages and in ages mean for a very long time. Example, how's Dan? I haven't seen him for ages. Yes, it's been a long time. He's fine.
Stephanie, I haven't seen you in ages.
Dad, I haven't seen you in ages.
Run into. Run into means to see someone by chance or in an unexpected place. Example, I ran into my teacher at the supermarket.
Maybe I'll run into you down the road. Just happened to run into me because, of course he did.
You know, you're the perfect person for me to run into.
Every time there's trouble, I run into you.
There are two people in a wood, and they run into a bear.
Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed means hoping for good luck or a good result. Example, I have a big exam tomorrow. Fingers crossed, I pass.
I'm keeping my fingers crossed.
Got my fingers crossed for you, B.
Keep my fingers crossed for you.
So, fingers crossed.
Part 3, listen and answer practice. In this part, you will answer questions I ask you based on the conversation we just went through. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. Watch the video carefully until you understand everything. Where does Jen work?
She works at the dress shop across the street.
What job does Nicole have now?
She works as a waitress.
What job does Nicole want to have soon?
She wants to be a teacher.
What does Jen hope for at her job?
She hopes to get promoted.
What will Jen help Nicole do?
She will help her find a dress for the interview.
Part 4. Shadowing practice. In this part, you will repeat after native speakers to practice pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Shadowing helps you sound more natural, speak fluently, and build confidence in English conversation.
Running into a friend.
Nicole! Fancy running into you here. Got time for coffee? At the dress shop across the street. Hoping to get promoted soon. Thanks. I love the work. Helping people is great. Yeah, this is a step in that direction. What about you? You were about to move, right? That's great! Which reminds me, there might be openings for teachers in Howard County. Awesome! And I'll help you find a new dress for the interview. And for your first day of school? Me too. Let's catch up more often.
Running into a friend. Hi, Jen. What's up? Haven't seen you in ages. Sure. Do you work around here? Oh, I love that shop. I've got my fingers crossed for you. I think you'll be a great buyer. Remember when you wanted to design clothes? I just got back working as a waitress, but hoping to teach soon. Really? I'll apply as soon as I get home. Fingers crossed. Love this one. It's perfect for the interview. Thanks so much. So glad I ran into you today. I'll keep in touch.
Thank you for watching. If you want to learn English for daily conversation, I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more videos to improve your English speaking skills every day.